7:20 in the morning, October 9th, 2022. Guess what we have? Drum roll, please. Another fire alarm pulled by these, and I can't say it, these delinquents. I mean, there's so much I want to say right now, and I just can't. I don't want to lose this channel. This channel is evidence in a lawsuit. This is every day. When we, 2021, there were 39 fire alarms in this building. Since my husband and I moved in, there have been over 100. It shot up to over 100. The fire alarms increased. The fire alarms increased after we got married. I will let the viewer take a guess at what that's about. I guess I'll look forward to tomorrow's fire alarm in the wee hours of the morning, 7:20 on a Sunday.